To Shilpa Shetty, a Bollywood actress who's come out with a statement a day after those tax raids were conducted by authorities. The actress has broken silence. She has said that this is a mischievous attempt to link her name and says that facts have actually been misrepresented against her. Now, this is regarding the 60 crore rupee loan cum investment that was the case that was booked by the Economic Offences Wing. This is both for Shilpa Shetty and her husband, Raj Kundra. And in connection with that case is when authorities had conducted tax raids late last evening. Shilpa Shetty has broken silence, saying that this is nothing but a mischievous attempt to link her name to this case, and says that all facts have been completely misrepresented, maligning her image and her name. In fact, she's also quoted a shlok from Bhagavad Gita, as she has said that she had nothing to link her to this entire 60 crore rupee cheating case or alleged cheating against her and her husband. I'm going to try and connect with Paras Dama, my colleague, to fill us in with terms of what exactly is it that Shilpa Shetty has said in her statement. She's broken her silence for the first time after those tax raids were conducted yesterday evening. This is regarding a 60 crore rupee loan, loan cum investment, which she says still remains, a part of it remains unpaid. And this is nothing but an attempt to just malign a popular person like herself. Let's get in Paras for an update on what exactly is it that Shilpa Shetty has said in her defense. Go ahead, Paras, fill us in.
So this is a very important update in this entire matter. There was a reports claiming that there was a IT raid which was conducted by IT officials in Bangalore and after that in Mumbai. So in this entire matter, the official statement by Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra's lawyer has been given in this entire matter. In the statement, it has been claimed by Prashant Patil, the lawyer of Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra, that there were no raids which was conducted by IT department. It has been claimed that there was a verification process which was done by the IT department in Bangalore and the other parts where it was said to be the raids, but they are Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra lawyer are claiming that there was no such IT raids happened, but it was a verification process which was carried out by IT department in the entire scenario which has happened.
Also quoted, in fact, from Bhagavad Gita, saying that she has complete faith in the judicial system, and then she went on to quote from Bhagavad Gita and says that all of this is completely baseless. Walk us through some of the other details that Shilpa Shetty has put forward.
Rightly said, but this statement is from the 60 crore rupees cheating case which is being investigated by the EOW Mumbai, and in this entire matter she has issued a statement. Shilpa Shetty has said in the statement that she has been dragged unnecessarily. There was no things with the company. She was not a partner in that company. She was not signatory in the company, and she has been dragged unnecessarily in this entire matter. She has also quoted a quote of Bhagavad Gita in the entire statement which she has issued, as you said. So in this entire matter, she has stated that she has been dragged unnecessarily in 60 crore rupees fraud case which has been investigated by EOW Mumbai.
Viewers, that what exactly is this case about? This is about a businessman named Deepak Kothari, from whom he alleges money was taken for expansion but went elsewhere. So walk us through, and our viewers, through some of the other details with regard to what exactly is Deepak Kothari's complaint on which EOW filed its case.
Rightly said. So case is very, very complicated. A few months ago, Deepak Kothari launched an FIR at the EOW Mumbai, and after that investigation started in this entire matter. Deepak Kothari, the complainant, has claimed that the 60 crore rupees was given to Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty as loan, but after not able to pay it, they told to invest this amount, and this whole scenario started, and after that there was no repayment settlement of this entire loan which was taken by the Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra. So this entire matter is still under investigation. There are few times that Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty's statement has been recorded by the Mumbai EOW, and still there are chances that in this entire case that statement should be recorded again, but there is no official confirmation on it. But this case is 60 crore rupees
right.
fraud case which was registered by the businessman Deepak Kothari.